Oh, magnificent her voice really is. Hi Serbians, I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Okay, so let's not say a bit, let's say I'm excited for this one. Right, but before I go into this reaction, I have a question I want to ask you guys. Do you guys know Bob Marley? Yes, Bob Marley. Well, Bob Marley is from the country where I'm at now, which is Jamaica. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Yes, that's one of my favorite Bob Marley songs. So the reason why I'm here in Serbia right now, it's because I'm not really sure what the Serbian music I really like. I'm from Jamaica where I'm not really sure if this music literally plays. And I have a great feeling about this song, right? I have something that is feeling great. I have a great feeling about this song, right? So what I'll be reacting to, it's TEYA, DORA, RAMONDA. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to react to right now. So without further ado, let's see what's up. Peace. I gotta say, astounding voice. This is one of the most beautiful voices I've heard in this competition, bro. Right? And the way how she's singing, the way how she's holding that mic, right? I can tell that this is a massive hit song because she's not just singing just like that, she's singing from the core of her heart, right? This is a very beautiful song, beautiful voice. Even though I'm not really understanding the language that she's singing in, but I can feel the words, I can feel how she felt in this song, right? It's so deep, it's so connecting, right? Oh my, this is a very beautiful song. Amazing. Astoundingly splendid voice, right? I gotta say, the Serbian music, if she's the one that is representing the Serbian music culture, then I can say I'm now a fan of being into the Serbian music because I never yet heard a Serbian music before, and this draws me closer to want to hear more of what she's saying. Even though the language is not understanding to me, but I understand what she's saying from the words, from the instrumental, from her performance. Very deep song, very amazing performance. Ah, very amazing, very amazing. With such powerful voice, she can change the world. In her surrounding, in her country, people who literally fantasize in Serbia music, she can change the world. And with this power of music, she's a very powerful force to reckon with. Keep on singing, keep on making people's lives better, right? Because music doesn't stop where you're at now. Music doesn't stop in Serbia. Music is a very large thing. Music is like the ocean, it's all around. And once we can gather people to stop by to listen to your music because of the gravitational impact that the music carries, it's gonna be a masterpiece. It's gonna be a lifelong music. Keep up the good work. You are doing amazing. Oh, magnificent her voice really is. Beautiful female, just beautiful, right? Miss Dea, you're doing great. Keep up the good work, and you're gonna be a winner of this era. Keep up the good work. Wonderful, just wonderful.
Diže se iz pepela jedna lila Ramonda.
This was a very amazing performance, amazing music, captivating music. I gotta say, a solid 10 for me. Based on the sound, based on the instrumental, a solid 10. So guys, if you guys did enjoy this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.